What's up, my Diet Badass family? It's your boy Percy Robinson coming at you with another smash hit video. Now, for everyone that's new coming to this channel, I want you to do me a favor, smash the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe. And oh yes, please hit the bell so you know every time I post a video. Alright, so I have been asked by several people, Percy, why don't you make a breakfast video? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a bomb-ass veggie omelet with a nice, tasty fruit salad. And let's go!
Kimba made another one.
Okay, guys, we just made a nice little veggie scrambled and a nice little fruit display with, I mean, say what you want, but this right here, this is nature's Skittles right here. All the fruits that you need. This is what I call a healthy breakfast. You already know what time it is. It's time to try and sample. So let's see what it's tasting like. Oh man. It's like all the flavors that you've seen me put in is all in one bite. This stuff tastes amazing. So let me go ahead and try this fruit real quick. With a little bit of Greek yogurt. This is a keeper right here. This is a keeper right here. Anyways, we're done. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.